Before we begin the assembly process, we need to double check all of our parts to make sure that we have all of the parts, but also to make sure that all of the parts have been prepped. Starting with our side pieces, we need to make sure that the holes have been drilled and our finish sanding has been done. We should have 2 feet pieces cut to size, shape, and the finish sanding completed. We should have 1 lower lateral connector cut to size, finish sanded, and all of our pilot holes drilled both in the ends as well as on one edge to accommodate our leaf supports. Next, we have our leaf supports cut to size, sanded, holes in the ends drilled to accommodate that pivot point, and the back edge routed. We then have our top, which is composed of our top center and a leaf on either side of that center. The faces should be finish sanded, but the edges should still be sharp. And lastly, we should have our cleat pieces, 2 of those, cut to size, drilled, and finish sanded.